Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, well, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to tie a classic, some people refer to them as a half Windsor, some people refer to them as a regular Windsor, but I'm going to teach you how to tie, or I'm going to show you how to tie a Windsor knot. It's a beautiful knot, very simple, very easy. Here you go. Left, over right, around, over, and through the top. There you go. See that? Went around. On the other side, you went over and through the top, down. Now we go from this side. We come back to that same right side. We loop around the tie, just like so. We go up through the inside and then pull down through the loop on the front of the tie. And bingo, you have a classic Windsor, or what some people refer to as a half Windsor. And you can adjust it a little bit. And this is not the, there you go. So, hopefully you can see my nice, beautiful tie. Okay? One of the beautiful things about a Windsor is this is what happens. Some people, if you tie them backwards, you pull it out, right? You have the knot still here. If you simply pull on the tie, it comes undone. And then you simply unwind it. Your tie is off. That's the beautiful part of a Windsor. Now then, I will take the opportunity to show you a double Windsor, or some people call them full Windsors. Again, left over right, around the tie, up and through the middle. This is where it's different. You go around the opposite. This is, if you're looking down at the tie, your left side, up and through the middle again. Then you go back around the outside from the right to the left, up through just like you did before, pulling it through the outside part of that loop, and down, and there you go. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is what some people refer to as a double Windsor or a full Windsor. Now, what's the difference between these two is that the double Windsor is a more full knot. You can tell by here that it comes out further this direction. Wait, there we go. I can't look at this and get it straight. You can see it comes out further in these two directions, and it makes for a fuller knot. Why would you want that? Well, I'm tying a classic cotton fabric tie here, and with these kind of ties, the half Windsor or the regular Windsor works better because they're kind of thick, and these will wind up being too short if you tie them in a double Windsor. However, if you have a silk tie or a rayon tie that's much thinner, then you might want to use a double Windsor to get the fullness of the knot. And that's my instruction video on tying ties. Again, the double Windsor does the same thing. When you pull it out, simply, you can see how the knot's still there. Simply pull on the tie, and it comes undone. And doing this for 50 years helps. Have a wonderful day.